Did you miss me? Hey, Johnny. So, we're back with another video. I know I uploaded one the other day, but I needed to get this. I'm gonna need to unbox this, and we finally get to. And I'll be interacting with you guys, and I'll be interacting with the Scout audience. Hi, Scout audience. How are you guys? Oh, hold on. Let me fix my eyebrows. Are looking a little crappy. Okay, whatever. So I just finished filming for the BoxyCharm video. If you guys for November, so if you guys saw that video, what y'all think about it? What y'all thought about it? I mean, and if not, what are you waiting for? Go back and watch it. Oh snap! That was the poor freaking palette. Oh my gosh. Okay. Hey baby girl, how are you, girl? I'm filming for my other YouTube video. Hold on. So we're gonna unbox this biscuit. And well, I'm filming and I'm here interacting on Scout. Oh my gosh. Here's a moment of truth, you guys. Oh my gosh, look at this Tati, you guys. She's looking so pretty. Oh my damn. Don't need that. Look at her. She is gorgeous, you guys. So, what's up with this wrapping paper? It's so funny and weird. Oh, what's going on? Okay. Oh my gosh, my box was damaged. Beautiful is your story to tell. Hugs and kisses. Tati, oh my gosh. I love this hoe. I love her. She's gorgeous. Okay. Now, let's get real. And let's unwrap this beauty. Oh, so much paper. It looks like honeycombs. Like, literally, look. Can you tell? Look, a little honeycomb. Cute. Okay. Oh my god, how do you open this bitch? Okay, so there we go. Oh my, this is a lot of freaking wrapping paper, you guys. Look at this. Tati does not play. What's a flip? This is so long. Like, what am I gonna do with this shit? Use this toilet paper? I can't. There's so many holes through it. Okay. The flip, Tati. Tati Westbrooks does not play. And here she is, you guys. The Tati Beauty Palette. Oh my damn. And here's how she looks like. As you can see, it says volume 1 at the bottom corner. And glitter, metallic, gluten-free, cruelty-free, gluten-free, vegan, distributed by Tati Beauty LLC, yada 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 yada, whatever. Okay. I like how it feels so matte. And that's cute. Let's open her up. That is a gigantic ass mirror, you guys. Look at this. It's a big ass mirror. Can I get some hearts on here, you guys? Look at all these. Oh my damn. Oh my damn. I don't even want to open this anymore. I'm kind of like super excited for her. I'm getting emotional. Oh my gosh. I'm gonna cry. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy for her. Okay, guys. Can you guys see these? Look at these shadows, you guys. Oh my god. Okay. Okay, stop. Happy thoughts. Okay. And the thing came off. Stupid train. So at the bottom row, we have all the mattes. So we have matte memory, matte ritual, matte story, matte soothe, matte aura, and poet. This is a Tati palette, girl. You best watch my YouTube video when it goes up, okay? Then we have sequin up here, next row. metallic, and glitter. I want to dig into the glitters, you guys. Oh my gosh. Okay. Let's just swatch. I don't know what the swatch is, but okay. Ooh, it's pretty. Hold on. Let me just swatch them all, and then, you know, I'll show you guys. Whoa. Okay, let me do that one again. Oh, shit. Okay. So here we have the black shade, I suppose. I don't know what you call her. Memory. That's the matte shade, sequin, metallic, and glitter. Okay, you see. Those are pretty. Oh, okay. The next one swatched pretty great, you guys. So ritual and matte, sequin, metallic. What's the one? And glitter. These are pretty, you guys. Now the next shades that we're gonna go with are the story ones. Okay, I see you, girl. The glitter one is so cute. I like the color. You can see. Wait, what am I doing? I'm like freaking recording without the lights. I am so sorry, you guys. Ugh. But here you go. Oh, that is pretty. Now we're gonna go with the Soothe. Oh, you can hardly see her. I'm so dark. Oh, I like that one. I'm hella dark, you guys. That one's cute. I don't even want to see Aura. I'm not good dark, you guys. Oh wait, never mind. We see her. There we go, you guys. This Aura. Okay, you see. These are so pretty. Okay. The last shade called. Thank you for the hearts. So send me these hearts. Let me know. Poet. Oh, Poet's like a burgundy color. Oh, she's beautiful. The house down boots. Oh my god, that glitter's so pretty. You see these? Oh. Okay, I just want to swatch the black ones because I feel like those ones need some justice. Those are all the little ones that we had first swatched. These are so pretty. Oh my god. I'm gonna go ahead and start with the Poet shade. Oh my god. I never prime my lips, you guys. But this one's pretty. Who the fuck is texting me? That's how that bitch really thinks of me. You know what, Heaney? I don't give a flip about what you have to say. Okay? And I haven't been sucking that. I've been so busy with so many other things. Okay, bitch? And then we're gonna go with the sequin one. I've never tried this. Oh, I am loving this one. It smells like some like blue, little like. Okay, all these second ones have like little blue glittery thingies inside them, inside the shades. I love it. Okay. Next, we're gonna kind of add black glitter onto it. Oh my damn! Look at this. Oh my god. And I'm gonna go with Aurora. Put that bitch in the corner of my eye. I am done. This is beautiful. Okay, so I'm a huge sucker for the glitters, you guys. That's very pretty. I love them, I'm not gonna lie. The shadows, those are pretty. I mean, like, I feel like the other could have been better, but I love the pink. I want to play with the pink a little bit. I just hope it doesn't. I just hope it won't stain my eyes. So we're gonna see. We're gonna find out in a bit. This is the complete look. I am loving, and I'm living for this look. I don't give a flip how bad my eyeshadow is, but the pigments and the colors are just. Oh, Tati did a great job, you guys. Like, I'm not gonna lie. I don't remember how much this palette was. I think it was like $48. I think that's what it was. But I'm liking this, you guys. If you guys want, what was I gonna say? Oh, never mind. Okay, so that's it for today's video, you guys. The Tati Westbrook, the Tati Beauty palette. It's amazing. I love it. It's gorgeous. The glitters, I just cannot get over it. I just use the glitter. Screw the rest of the shades, but the glitter I'll definitely use. Well, that's about it, you guys. Thank you so much. That was my review on the palette. I loved it. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share with all your little gay friends. Okay? I love you guys. Love you guys. Take care. Bye.